In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications for shared files in Google Drive. This is perfect when you want to share a folder quietly, avoid inbox clutter for your collaborators, or control when and how people are told about new access. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and landing on your drive home. Once you're there, find the folder that contains the files you want to share. Click to open that folder so you're looking right at its contents. At the top of the page, next to the folder's name, you'll see a small drop-down or caret icon. Click that to reveal the folder options, then choose Share. If you see Share more than once, go ahead and click it again to open the full sharing window. This brings up the standard Share dialog where you control who gets access and what they can do. In the Add People or Groups field, type the Google account address of the person you want to share the folder with. As you add them, you can also set their permission level, like viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what they need. It's a good idea to choose the least privileged role that still lets them do their job. Here's the key step to stop email notifications. Look for the option labeled Notify People. Uncheck that box. This tells Google Drive not to send an email to the people you're adding. They'll still receive access to the folder and it will appear in their Shared With Me section in Drive, but they won't get an automatic email about it. If timing matters, plan to let them know through your preferred channel, like chat or a meeting note. Once you've unchecked Notify People and confirmed permissions are correct, click Send. If Google Drive asks you to confirm that you want to share without notifying, choose the option to proceed. That's it, the folder is now shared and no email notifications were sent. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Notify People checkbox, make sure you're adding specific people by email. The checkbox only appears in that scenario. Double check the folder name and path before sending, so you're sharing the right content. And remember, you can change or remove access later from the same share menu if needs change. You've now quietly shared a folder in Google Drive without triggering email notifications, keeping your collaborators' inboxes and your workflow nice and tidy.